Hi friend, my name is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee and as you all know I am a booktuber and I am making video on this book. The name of this book is The Laws of the Spirit World. And friends, as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I am doing is that I am making each and every topic on each and every video so you people can understand it in a better way, friends. Okay. And friends, what I am doing is that I am giving number to each and every video. Because many a time what happen, if you see first video, then if you see 14th video, then you see 43rd video, you get confused. So if there is a number, then if you come sequence wise 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, you will understand in a better way, friends. Okay. So okay, and do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon. So whenever I update a new video, you will get the notification, friends. Okay. So friends, and you can also connect with me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee 1906. I will spell it for you. ABHIMANYU BHATTTACHARJEE 1906. Okay. So in our last video, I've covered the concept called, you mentioned that as soon as you reached the spirit world, you were taken to the hall of rest. Can you tell us more about this place? So this was the video which I covered in my last video. And in today's video, I'm going to cover what happens to the soul once they are adjusted to the spirit world. So this is the this I'm going to cover in today's video. So I will start, friends. Okay. Here has been question asked and the question is, what happened to the soul once they have adjusted to the spirit world? Once soul have adjusted to the spirit world, they need to learn about their new surrounding. Soul who have just arrived in the spirit world have many questions. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Korshed Bhavnagri that once soul have adjusted in the spirit world, they need to understand about the surrounding. And when a soul arrives in the spirit world, that soul have many questions in his mind, in his or her mind. There are special spirit soul who have been trained to assist this soul. So here there are special spirit soul who are been trained. So when if a person or soul dies and he went to in the spirit world, he have many questions exactly what is this and how what is happening, how we are here. So this all question, there are special spirit soul who have been trained to answer this question. But there is also a place where this soul can go to access information, the hall of learning. Yes. So this is an interesting part where all the soul can go to access the information. This information is known as hall of learning, as there is library in our area which we go to gain knowledge. In the spirit world there is a library. The name of the library is the hall of learning. The Hall of Learning contains knowledge about God's laws, about the nature of the universe, and about the single aspect of God's creation. So here the Hall of Learning have information about the God laws, what is the God laws, and how a spirit, how soul should, what are the godly path, what a soul should do in his or her life journey, and many laws of the universe. What are the universal laws? This all information are there in the hall of learning. However, the information is only revealed according to soul ability to understand. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Korshed Bhavnagri that the information is only revealed to us according to our understanding. The only, for example, if a student is studying in 10th standard, he will be getting information about 10th. If he is studying in 4th standard, he will get information about 4th standard. So in this way, according to his understanding, the information is revealed to the soul. The hall of learning is open to each and every soul in the spirit world. So here for each and every soul, this hall of learning is open, so that every soul can go, every soul can gain knowledge, every soul can understand what are the God laws, every soul can understand how, what are the godly path, what a soul should do in his or lifetime. Just as every realm about realm 4 stage 5 has a hall of rest. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Korshed Bhavrangri, like every realm of stage realm 4 stage 4 from realm 4 stage 5 they have their hall of rest. So those who doesn't know what is realm, for them, those who are seeing viewers for the first time, I'll tell there are total 7 realm, friends. 1, 2, 3 is considered to be the hell, fourth is considered to be neither hell neither heaven, and fifth, sixth realm is considered to be the heaven. So it is with the hall of learning, extremely evolved spirit being visit this hall of teach and inspire spirit soul by spreading God's love and wisdom. So here in the hall of learning, extremely experienced soul, those who are in the spirit world, they go there, they teach different soul what is hall of learning and what are the godly laws, how a soul should lead his or her life in the earthly time. This hall are blessed with energy that enables you to understand spiritual truth better. So this hall are enabled with God's godly energy, where we can easily understand the God spiritual laws and how a soul should lead his or her in his or her lifetime. You can learn how to further open your subconscious mind, enhance a skill you might have, seek counsel on how to solve problem, and learn how to better follow your spiritual mission. So here in the hall of learning, we are taught to how to open our subconscious mind more and more. Here we are taught how to what are the God laws, and there are special spirit souls like counselor soul who counsel us that how can we go more further in our lifetime, how we can develop as a soul more and more. So this all thing are been taught to us in hall of learning by experienced soul. The possibility are endless, and it is indeed a place of great learning as many souls come and share their experience and exchange information about other planets and dimension. So here this is a very interesting part because there many soul come from the different dimension, from different planet. They come there, they explain their journey, they explain their spiritual journey, spiritual mission on the earth, and in different planet how they were, what they did. So it's like a case study where every soul come, they speak, they say this was done, that was done. So in this way it happens. Initially, the important function of the hall of learning is that it creates within you a great spiritual awakening. So the main purpose of the hall of learning is that it create among us the importance of spiritual awakening. What is spiritual awakening? So this all thing creates that importance in us. Once soul access knowledge from the hall of learning, they realize how orthodox earthly views are. So once the soul take knowledge from the earth, from the hall of learning, then they realize how orthodox views of the people were, what people think about the spirit world, how wrong they are. So their subconscious mind keeps on opening more and more. The hall of learning is like a library full of spiritual truth. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Korshed Bhavnagari that the hall of learning is completely like a library, like a spiritual truth. So friends, today's this topic came to an end. So in this topic we have covered the concept called what happens to soul once they have adjusted to the spirit world. This was the topic. And in the next video I am going to cover the topic called are there angel in the spirit world. Okay, so friends, as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I'm doing is that I'm making each and every topic on each and every video so you can understand in a better way, friends. And friends, what I'm doing is that I'm giving number to each and every video. So if you come sequence wise 1 2 3 4, you will understand in a better way rather from seeing 18th video, 25th video, 43rd video. So you will get confused, friends. Okay, and you can do connect with me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee 1906. Okay, so I will spell it for you: ABHIMANYUBHATTACHARJEE 1906. So you can connect with me on Instagram. And friends, you can do one thing. If you do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon, so whenever I update a new video you will get the notification, friends. Okay, and friends, what I was telling, you can even mail me. My email ID is abhimanyu1906. Okay, so this bring end to today's video and I will be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care, be blessed, always stay happy. Let us do all karma in our all good karma in our life, and one day we all will come in the spirit world and you will say I used to see your videos, and one day today we all are in the spirit world. Okay, and friends, this book is very good. The As you all know, this is the name of the book is The Laws of the Spirit World, and I highly recommend to all of you to buy this book because this book have changed my life and it will definitely change your life, and it will give you a 360-degree dimension to see your life in a new way. So you will get you will understand, you will get a different perspective in your life. See, if something is happening, it is happening for a reason. If you are going to visiting to a place, there is a reason behind this, and there is a some other karmic account linked with each and every account, each and every karmic account. So in your lifetime, always work in godly path, always help other, always do good karma in our life, so that one day we all come in the spirit world, right? And you will say I used to see your video and today we all are in the spirit world. Okay friends, so this bring ends to today's video, and hope so I will be meeting you in the next video. Definitely I will be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care. I will meet you in the next video friends. Okay.